Many centuries ago, the possessors of dark forces used voodoo magic for putting a curse on their enemies. They were able to injure or even kill a person, even with the latter being on the other side of the earth. Despite of these infamous rituals being performed secretly, they were passed on through generations. The magic of voodoo was so powerful that it could make people suffer most horrific diseases such as cancer or Black Death. Upon their worst enemies, they would wish a painful death and spending their eternity in hell. Therefore, they were burnt alive. Not all could do such witchcraft, but the ones who did had to follow certain rules. It was forbidden to wake someone from dead. For that purpose, one had to stick a pin into the chest of a voodoo doll and be mentally ready. Ready to sacrifice one's own life.